Hello, this is Joanne. Here's the Rohm portable sound machine. Serious sleep on the go. I tell ya, here's the back of it. I seriously could have used one of these when I first moved here. I moved here from the country where it was nice and quiet, and here we have a bar down the street, and the folks get out at 1:30 in the morning and they're yelling and screaming at each other. Got rap music going by. It's loud, man. I lost so much sleep. And I tried a CD player, but I couldn't go to sleep to music. It was terrible. So this is going to be nice. All right, it's got the little USB for powering it. Pop it out. Okay, it says, hold for 3 seconds to turn on/off unit. Here's the power. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Alright, here's the power, and then you have the volume buttons. I'm going to turn this down a little. Short press to choose sound. Bright white noise, deep white noise, or surf. So, let's see. Oh, I like that much better. All right, let me hold this up to the microphone. Okay, I gotta say that is pretty cool. So, I don't know if you like that or not, but I don't know, I think, God, I love that sound of the surf. I'm a California girl. Oh yeah. Sweet! Yeah, I recommend this. This is nice. Thanks for watching.